What's up, guys? It's Brad here. Just wanted to give a review on two new products I just got. The MWD's Outdoor Cornrow Dry Attractant and the MWD Outdoor A2A Apple Scented Dry Attractant. So first off, when I first got these, I was not really sure what to expect. Being a semi-new company, great reviews and everything on it, but dry attractants. I've never used dry attractants, except for maybe throw in a dry mineral block out in the woods and just waiting for deer to eventually find it. The cool thing about this that I've noticed immediately, I haven't opened up the A2A yet for the Apple, but look at down in there. That's not just a powder. I expected it to kind of just be like a powder, but no, it looks like it's ground up oats and barley and other stuff that deer would normally eat on a regular basis. It looks like it's ground up grains, and when you smell it, it smells like it's the cornrow kind of smells like a sweet corn. Not as strong as like a sweet corn though. It's not an overbearing scent, but you can definitely tell that there's a scent there. Something that'll get deer in the area for sure if you do not have deer already in your area. I am very excited to get this out into the woods. And also the A2A. I planned on planting some apple trees up at our new hunting area this year anyway. So, you know, if I do end up planting some apple trees, throwing this out there may help bring them in as well if I throw some apples out, because it's probably going to take 2 or 3 years before those trees start to flower and produce any type of fruit. But I think this will also get them in the area, and I don't know, I'm excited to try it. They look great, they're packaged great, it's a nice heavy duty bag so you don't got to worry about it ripping or coming undone under storage. Shipping time, they came here in great time, so if you order from these guys, their shipping time was great. The prices are great as well, and I say if you are interested in definitely getting more deer in your area where you're hunting, give these a try. Like I said, the price is great. Look, 1 pound will treat up to 500 pounds of corn. You could legitimately buy one of these bags for your entire season, your entire prep season. 500 pounds of corn, that's a lot of corn. And same with the A2A, up to 500 pounds of grain. There is a lot in the saying that a little can go a long way. And I think that with these products, they really hit the nail on the head. I can't wait to get them out in the woods. I'll be sure to upload pictures from our trail camera to see what all we bring in with these new MWD Outdoor attractants.